A dilapidated apartment building, rain lashing against the windows. A single eviction notice, crumpled in Sarah's trembling hand. Her face, etched with fear and despair. Sarah, a single mother, exhausted but determined, her eyes brimming with unshed tears. Her young daughter, Lily, clutching a worn teddy bear, her gaze mirroring her mother's anxiety. Mr. Henderson, the landlord, a portly man with a sneer, his cold eyes assessing Sarah's worn furniture. He adjusts his expensive watch, a gesture of smug superiority. "Get out," his voice, a gravelly rasp, echoes in the cramped apartment. He slams the eviction notice on the table, his face hardening. Sarah's hands clench into fists, her knuckles white. A tear escapes, tracing a path down her cheek. Lily hides behind her mother, her small body shaking. That evening, Sarah sits alone, staring at a photograph of her late husband. A kind smile gracing his face. A single candle flickers, casting long shadows on the walls. Days blur into a desperate search for help. Sarah's calls go unanswered, her pleas falling on deaf ears. Her shoulders slump, exhaustion etched on her face. She visits a local community center, its walls plastered with posters of support groups. Her expression, a flicker of hope amidst the despair. A kind-faced lawyer, Ms. Ramirez, listens patiently, her expression thoughtful and compassionate. Her hand rests reassuringly on Sarah's arm. Ms. Ramirez examines the eviction notice, a frown furrowing her brow. She runs a finger over a small, almost invisible watermark. A sharp intake of breath. M's. Ramirez's eyes widen in disbelief. She looks at Sarah, a dawning realization in her gaze. The next day, the courtroom is packed. Mr. Henderson sits stiffly, his confidence wavering slightly. He shifts uncomfortably in his seat. Ms. Ramirez presents evidence: forged documents, shady business dealings. Mr. Henderson's face pales, his carefully constructed facade crumbling. The judge slams his gavel. A wave of relief washes over Sarah's face. Mr. Henderson stares blankly ahead, his smug expression replaced by shock and shame. Mr. Henderson, stripped of his power and wealth, is led away in handcuffs. His face, a mask of regret and despair. That evening, Sarah and Lily sit in their apartment, the repaired walls gleaming under the warm glow of a lamp. Lily laughs, hugging her teddy bear. Sarah smiles, genuine happiness radiating from her. Weeks later, Mr. Henderson, in prison garb, cleans toilets. His face, gaunt and worn, reflects the harsh reality of his actions. 1 year later, Sarah, dressed in a smart suit, proudly presents a check to the community center. A broad smile beams on her face. Lily, now taller, stands beside her, equally beaming. A montage of happy family moments: Sarah and Lily laughing in a park, sharing a meal, celebrating a holiday. The camera zooms in on Sarah's face, one of quiet contentment and strength. A final shot: Sarah and Lily stand hand in hand overlooking a sun-drenched field, the wind carrying their laughter. The image, a testament to resilience, hope, and the ultimate triumph of justice.